Is this the best planter for growing citrus at home? Today, we're unboxing and assembling the Vego 20-gallon metal citrus planter. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This is the bottom for your planter. It has 4 drainage holes. It also has areas for you to attach your wheels. We're going to set that there for now. This is a very unique piece. It helps to act as a temporary standing support to allow one person to put this together. So it's perforated where you just fold it, and this stands up and it allows you to work by yourself. We have a box, we have a pair of gloves. We have your wheels are in here along with your screws. And we have your panels, which are wrapped in plastic, and they have a coating on them. In this case, it is tan. Very, very nice work and designed to last for a lifetime. So before we start putting anything together, the first thing we're going to do is take the plastic off of each panel. And to do that, just grab it like so. And start pulling. Now, it's on the front and back, so we're going to go ahead and do all 4 of these and then come back. And we have the wheels on, and now we're going to flip it over. And now we're going to put the screws in the top. Now we have okay. First row gets this screw, and it gets the locking cap as such. We're going to take our wrench. Okay, we got one in. We're gonna go ahead and do the others and come back. So we have it assembled. The only remaining piece to put on is the rubber protection around the top, and we're going to do that now. And just like that, it is put together. This took approximately 20 minutes to fully assemble it, from unboxing to assembling. And now we're going to go ahead and put some potting soil in it and plant a blood orange citrus tree in it. So we have potting soil or soil in here, and it's a mixture of perlite, homemade compost using the Vego indoor composter, and a mixture of blood meal, bone meal, and rabbit manure. Now we're going to plant my first ever citrus. This is a Moreau blood orange, and I got it from Fast Growing Trees. And we're just going to unpot it and put it into the planter. When planting citrus, make sure that you use well-draining soil and don't bury the graft union. In warmer climates like Florida, citrus thrives in containers like this because you can control the drainage and the nutrients better. Overall, this planter is sturdy, easy to assemble, and perfect for anyone serious about container gardening. If you're growing citrus at home, this might be one of the best investments that you can make. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening content. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.